Hello and welcome back to the Road to Good Cooking. I hope you had a great Super Bowl weekend. I know I did, and here's some pictures from last weekend. And check out the size of these tomahawk steaks. If you have not had a tomahawk steak grilled, you are missing out on life. Where have you been? And if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. That way you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And if you're planning an outdoor party or a family gathering, a pool party, office party, any kind of party, make sure you give the Road to Good Cooking a call. Now, I can smoke it, I can put it on the smoker, smoke whatever you like, no matter what size your party is. If you want a nice intimate party for 4 or 5 people, I got you covered. So, don't forget to give the Road to Good Cooking a call. Now, don't wait till the last minute. I book up really fast in the summertime, so don't say I didn't warn you. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I will see you when I see you. Be blessed and keep on cooking.